very, very serious and is very emergency. A lot of people might see it, but they don't know. Ebola is one of the most deadliest disease on this planet at the moment. It's killing off our brothers and sisters. And I'm just talking on my YouTube channel at the moment. That's other as people who are gonna watch it. I just come off the TV, and as you can see the news about this disease which is going on in Africa at the moment, a deadly disease, Ebola. I want to say it will spread if we don't take control of this disease, and the only way we can stop this disease from not spreading, we as a nation, we as a people, we don't need to put your whole month wages or your week wages. If everyone can give £1, it will work. We can raise the money, give to the government, and make the government help to stop Ebola. It's one of the most deadliest disease. When I'm watching the news, guys, I'm telling you, our brothers and sisters is going away day by day. So, can we help to stop this disease, Ebola? Yes or no? Please leave your comments below. On my website, I'm gonna have some things about it on my website. Sign up for free. Go visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk. Guys, it is really bad. We need help.